few Mercedes E450 E-Series cars. Gonna do a quick how-to on a transmission flush. Online, there's not much videos about doing a trans flush and what tools for these 21 plus model E-Series. So for one, pan is only sold with the filters, can't buy them separate. Bolts are one-time use, and then you gotta buy these plugs separate. This is for the leveling sensor that plugs into the bottom of the pan, and then this is for fluid fill drain. There's a little Allen in here, you twist it, it allows the excess fluid above this area to leak out once you pull the drain. Let's go ahead, finish piecing this stuff back together. We got a couple more seals and stuff over there, and then we'll get it back up on the car, and then I'll show you guys how to fill the transmission. It does take a specialty tool I had to order off Amazon. It's about 20 bucks or so. And then we got the fluid here on a drain and fill. Calls for about 6 quarts, about 5 quarts in total, but just got an extra quart just to be safe. Don't have to go running back to the dealer for nothing. I'm gonna just go ahead and pre-fill the filters up with some fluid. I do got the new pan up there. You have to take down just that first tray. I was doing an oil change, so I took down the other tray. But just this tray only is the only one you have to remove to get access to the transmission pan. But we got the new pan on. Tool from Built Tools. This is the one to fill the trans with. I had this one, but this is the special adapter you need that screws into the pan, and then that's what you use to fill it. This is the tool used to open and close the valve to allow the trans to be filled. So we'll use this to open it up, and then we'll screw this and this fitting together and get the fluid up in the trans. All right, so we got the drain. This is actually the tool. Put it right up in there. You can use a regular Allen if you want it, but that'll just pull out in there. There's actually an Allen style key. This one is used for to open that up to allow the transmission to take fluid in. So I'm gonna go ahead, fit it up in there like that, and then you just give it a twist. And you can see fluid dropping already. So let's go ahead and get our tool inserted. Get that twisted in the trans. Oh, okay, looks like we got it all the way over. Got our Mercedes automatic trans fluid. Get in the pump filled up. Got it connected. Actually, couldn't use that adapter because the end is different from what I have for my quick disconnect, but my other piece screwed into it. So go ahead and keep getting this thing filled up for what it takes, and then we'll get it pushed up in the trans. Fluid's going in. Keep that pressure down. Got the plug in, got the trans completely full, so we'll go ahead and put the bolt back on for the brackets and get the lower plate put back on. Just doing a little test drive on this E450 Mercedes. Did a full tune-up. Actually, we didn't do plugs because the plugs still looked okay. We just checked them. We still got some time on them, so no reason to rush into getting those plugs done. Did a transmission filter flush, oil change, and then just check brakes, suspension, everything like that. Car checks out real nice. So it's taking on a quick test drive, making sure the fluid level is where it needs to be in the transmission, and then we'll check the oil level when we get back, make sure it's at the maximum level. Another car ready to be picked up. You know how we do it. But man, these Ray-Bans is pretty sick. I'll give you guys that my view footage. That shit hard.